Brother QL-1110NWB, the Inkless label printer saving hours and ending sheet label nightmares. Ever felt like your label printer's staging a revolt, jamming mid-shipment, or forcing wasteful sheets that mock your growing order queue, leaving you tangled in adhesive frustration? That stalled surge when barcodes blur or Wi-Fi ghosts can choke the pulse of your hustle. If this printing pickle hits your packing station, drop a comment. What's your label fiasco? Let's label how wireless wide format could stamp out the snag. Now notch the nightmare. Rush hour rushes turning into red-eye relays as stress spikes from toner tantrums and deadline dashes. Burnout bubbling when manual crops eat hours amid endless e-commerce escalations. But envision a crisp counter. Brother QL-1110NWB's Bluetooth ease hinting at streamlined sway. SMS the snarl of chords or ink woes. If you're labeling through these logistics labyrinths in your shop, this thermal titan might tag team your triumph with a sly zip. Meet the Brother QL-1110NWB, your zippy breakthrough unleashing 4-inch wide format thermal prints at 69 labels per minute with 300 per inch sharpness via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and Bluetooth that beams barcodes from your phone like a digital dispatch. Picture a solo seller, boxes stacking at dusk, tapping iPrint and label to crop Amazon FBA PDFs flawlessly. The clean snip of the heavy-duty cutter evoking that electric hum of orders flowing free. Narrative piles transforming into a hypnotic rhythm of peel and stick poetry. Its Inkless direct thermal hums endless duty up to 3,500 labels daily. USB host syncing scanners for seamless data pulls, all in a 3.9-pound metal chassis that whispers warehouse warrior. Sensory snaps crackle with every scannable UPC, a lightly controversial cut at sheet-fed relics. Why hoard waste when this crop print crops the crap? PC Mag crowns it a strong pick for pro labels with mobile might. Here's a mini reward. Stay tuned for the bonus SDK integration tip that automates your app. If barcode blunders bog your batches, this could relabel your rush, comment crop, to crop that exclusive Wi-Fi fix inside. Unpack the punch. Brother QL-1110NWB ramps efficiency with its auto cutter honing focus for blitz batches, unleashing performance where plug and label skip software for instant inkless wins on Windows. An e-com influencer quipped, paid for itself in a month. Etsy shipments zipped from phone. No more adhesive alchemy. Stirring the cool click of rolls dropping in like puzzle piece amid warehouse whirs. Analysts applaud its SMB surge as do more with less gold. With users nodding, ditched lasers, crisp 4x stick like glue, costs crashed. Rhetorically, who dodges that satisfying slice of continuous rolls yielding custom tags? Durability doubts. Its metal guts reinforce the UVP, outlasting plastic pretenders in daily grinds. Thousands tag the iPrint and labels on-the-go glow for van life vendors. See the stampede. The Ethernet backbone adds network nuance, flipping phrase into frolics. Lightly humorous, it's like your printer traded ink addictions for thermal therapy. Which perk, like PDF crop or Bluetooth beam, would badger bustle? Comment below for a secret roll reload hack that accelerates your sensory speed. Supplies are sticking scarce on the Brother QL-1110NWB. Wide format thermal units are vanishing into 2025 carts, so tag along with teams who've tapped its 4-inch wireless for error-free empires, as Best Buy Buzz affirms. Full-function connectivity you won't miss. No more lags. Latch yours now before backorders bind, and behold the blitz. Click to unlock that exclusive AirPrint guide, making mobile magic mockingly simple. Don't just watch. Print on and propel your packages today.